Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up your Nissan Murano safely. Before you begin, always prioritize safety. Ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface and fully engage the parking brake. It's also crucial to place wheel chocks on the tires that will remain on the ground. This prevents any unexpected movement and keeps you safe while working. For the front of your Murano, you have a couple of options. The primary jack points are the reinforced pinch welds located just behind the front wheels. You can also use the front subframe crossmember for a more central lift. Remember to use a rubber jack pad to prevent any damage to the vehicle's frame or paint during the lifting process. Moving to the rear of your Nissan Murano, similar to the front, you'll find reinforced pinch weld points located just in front of the rear wheels. Another suitable option for lifting the entire rear is the rear subframe crossmember. Before you start lifting, double-check that your jack is perfectly stable and correctly positioned to avoid any accidents. Once your jack is correctly placed, begin to lift the vehicle slowly and steadily until it reaches your desired working height. Never rely solely on the jack for support. Immediately place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's designated support points. Then, carefully lower the Murano onto the jack stands, ensuring it is fully supported and stable before you start any work.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.